Okay, we're back. I want to show you this. They don't need to be deep. So you'll lower that where you're just barely going to scratch it. And then maybe go up just a little. Just that, just a teeny bit. They don't have to be perfect, but you can try. You notice I offset them just a little bit so they wouldn't be right on top of each other. Don't want the wood to be any thinner than it is. But 2 grooves look like plenty, so we'll stop there. Sorry about that, I wasn't sure the camera's still running. Okay, then I got my grooves, got that bow. So I'm going to turn it in. It goes in between the sides, like that. Now, here comes the fancy part. Get this piece of wood here that I made, instead of using it that way, you just put it up, well, you can use it that way, but you're just really measuring the distance here. So when you put the screws in it, they kind of be straight. First one I want to put in is the one on the bottom. Then I have to be flush, give a little bit of lip right here on the bottom. And what this is, it's going to allow it to be opened and clean, closed. You don't need to clamp it down. It's not going anywhere. Action. I just taught myself something. Use that to mark. You want these 2 screws to be opposite each other, pretty much directly across from each other. So we'll put like a mark here, and a mark here. Hey, you don't need that now. Just want to make sure. kind of keep it level, you might have to pull it a little bit. Once you get the screw started, then you can hold the door. You don't want this too close to the edge. There. Don't have to crank it down. Got my mark. Alright, don't have a roof. Oh no! Alright, remember that slope. It's got to meet that. It's simple. Line it up. Get your trusty nailer. Try to center. Put a nail in it. Put a nail in it. Now you can go around the house and nail it. But after you nail, you don't want to nail here, because you want this door to be able to do that. Okay? I'll show you what I mean. Say it's been up for a whole season. You put it on a board or a tree, you put a nail or screw here, one here. You might want to pre-drill it, I don't know. But then, it's kind of tight. I'm going to loosen this a little bit. I think I got one too tight. Alright, anyway. Hey, you can clean it out. Push that back down. Just leave them loose, that's fine. Put this one back in there. Don't crank on it. And there you go. What do you think? Tell me what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe. It helps me get my channel up and going. Happy Thanksgiving weekend, happy Black Friday, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.